I'm Matthew Bailey and I'm a Market Operative. I lived in the borough for about 9 years, joined the army, met my wife, sort of came down, next thing you know, toothbrushes in the bathroom, and I ended up living here. I got the opportunity to apply for a Market Operative job, so went for the interview and got the job. So obviously I've been on the market now for just over a year. I absolutely love my job. Again, what I like about it, there's so much I do like about it. I love the feel. Obviously I'm from a little village, so being on that market, even though we're in a very big town, it feels like I'm back in the village again. The community, everybody knows you, so it does feel like a very, very small community. We're almost like a little family. I don't find it chore. I don't like getting up at 4:30 in the morning all the time, but the job itself, I love coming to work. Market Operative is very, very varied. The job changes every day. There's lots to the job. There's two aspects. There's setting the market up, which is actually out meeting and greeting, and then there's also the cash office. So we go through the cash office. The cash office is in the morning. You open up at 6 AM, and then obviously you work on the computer system. People will come over and pay your rent. Out on the market, again, very varied. You're basically out there setting the market up, meeting people in the morning. They come from any time between 6 AM to 8 AM, and that is giving them, the casual traders, giving them their pitch. Permanent traders, making sure they're in their lines, they're not taking too much space. Getting the vans on, so making sure that the vehicles are not driving into anybody, if you like. Marshalling them on, marshalling them off. Taking payments, card payments, and just chasing the people that are paying cash, getting them to go over to the office. Transition was a lot harder moving from army life into civilian life, but again it's taught me some very, very, very useful skills. Time management, for example. My watch is always set 5 minutes fast, we call that army time. So if you've got to be somewhere, I'll make sure I'm there 5 minutes early so I'm ready to go at that particular time. When I was 20 years old, I used to weigh 38 stone. Didn't really do a lot with my life really, to be honest with you. And then my mate took me out, on a drink, and I caught a glimpse of myself and thought, oh, I'm a lot bigger than what I thought I was. So he was a boxer, so we started boxing, and I got into shape a lot quicker than I thought I was. So I saw I've had a goal, and then did the boxing, got bored of it, needed another goal, and I suppose the next goal was the army. So I trained specifically for that, and then unfortunately I fell ill in 2012, 2013 when I got out of the army, so I put a lot of weight on. Then I started going to the gym, and I realised I was one of the strongest in the gym, and I thought, I'm not bad at this, so I thought I'll keep on going and keep on pushing myself. And then about a year ago, another friend of mine said, have I ever thought about Strongman competition? And I thought, no, I haven't. So I looked into it, and I thought, you know what, I might do okay. So again, like I said, I need to have a goal in my life with fitness, and I think this one at the moment is probably my time. Summing up my life now, in the job and working for the council. Life's good, job's good, people I work with, good. The borough, it's a lot better than I ever thought it was. Again, I come from a little village, everybody knows each other. Around here, I suppose to a certain degree now I'm getting a bit of a face. People know me from in the gym, from running around Dagenham everywhere, and working on the market. So people know me again. It's like, again, being back into a smaller community in a bigger area. So yeah, quite happy.